I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there?
Good morning, everyone. Vlogmas day 2. It is snowing outside currently, and there is snow. Let me show you. So this is the first snow of the year that is actually sticking. It was sticking last night, so I guess last night was technically the first snow. But yes, it has snowed before, but it has not stuck like this. So this is cool. It's not that much snow. I was supposed to go to work today, but my car alignment is really bad, and on Monday when I went into work, it was pouring out, and my car was like hydroplaning. So I'm scared to drive in the snow in my car. I have to get it fixed, but I'm gonna work from home today. I think we're about to go get some coffee because I need coffee. I still have, I'm not gonna, I still have my coffee from yesterday, but I'm not drinking that. It's about 12:30 now. My hair is a mess. I look a mess. I'm gonna shower soon because my hair is just like, it feels like straw at the end. So I need to like deep condition my hair so bad. But I'm about to start doing some work from home. Michael just left to go do laundry and set up his Christmas decorations at his house. His son has been wanting him to set up his Christmas tree, which I think is so cute. So I want to set up my Christmas tree so bad. But I think I'm gonna do a face mask too because, you know, my face is breaking out so bad. And something that I've like picked up on recently, and I hate it, is like picking at my skin. It's such a bad anxiety habit that I have. Lately, I noticed within the past couple months, probably since quarantine started, I have been picking at my skin so bad, and it's just gotten horribly worse. So please just ignore my skin. My skin just makes me feel so ugly, but it's just skin. It'll get better eventually. It's really nothing to stress about or just feel less about myself because of. I also really have to clean my room. It is filthy from Michael being over for a while, so I've got to clean my room today. I've got to do my laundry. I have so much to do, and I'll just show you guys everything. Hello. So not much has changed. I am currently at my computer watching Vlogmases. I have not cleaned, but I did finish work. I also popped a pimple above my lip. That's why it's so red right now. Oh my god. Stop popping pimples. You can see like my face is red from me squeezing. But once I finish watching this Vlogmas, I am going to clean my room because it needs it very badly. Alright, so I am doing my first round of laundry right now. The key to great smelling laundry, honestly, Downy Unstoppables, any scent they have is amazing, and it makes your laundry smell so good. I'm watching Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I just wanted to show you guys before I throw it out because I finished it. But this is literally the best micellar water ever. It removes all of my makeup, doesn't burn my eyes, nothing. It's just like water. But I always repurchase this. I get this at Target. Amazing. Alright, so I finished cleaning my room. I moved my bed around. I don't know how I feel about it there. I don't know what to do with that. That's Michael. But I'm still waiting for my laundry to finish, but I'm about to go shower. My friend Michelle wants me to come hang out in a little bit, so I'm gonna get ready and get ready for that. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so I just finished doing my makeup. I just did my foundation, bronzer, highlight, liner and lashes and eyebrows. Simple. I didn't even put on any eyeshadow and whatever. I'm just chilling in my robe. I'm waiting for my laundry to be done so I can have some fresh pants because I have no clean pants. And then I'm heading to Michelle's because she's making din din. I told you guys I was going over there already, but I didn't tell you guys that she was making dinner. So she's making chicken primavera. I've never had that, so I'm excited to try it. and we're probably just gonna have a chill girls night. I think Michael's gonna join us, but she said she needed someone like to vent to and talk to, so of course I'm gonna be there. So I should be actually leaving in like 10 minutes. I should have left like an hour ago, but I take forever to get ready. God, it is so fucking cold outside. It's 32 degrees according to my car, but honestly it feels like it's like 12. It is freezing. I tried to clean off my everything the best that I could so I could drive. I cleared everything off the top, so because I think that's illegal if you drive with like snow on top of your car. I don't know, but I got to go. It's 5:15. It's 5:15. So I'm going to head to Michelle's now, and I will see you guys when I get there. I probably am not gonna vlog, if at all, a little bit if at all, because Michelle has no clue I have a YouTube channel, so I'm about to tell her. I'm about to tell her I'm doing Vlogmas, so we'll see, but I'm gonna vlog when I get there. Bye. I just got to Michelle's. I almost forgot to vlog. But yeah, I just got here to her apartment, so I'm about to go inside and eat. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit since I vlogged. It is 9 o'clock now, I think. Yeah, it's 8:57. Oh my god, I am shivering. I just got in my car. It is freezing outside. It's 33 degrees. I can't stop shaking. But I had a lot of fun. We had chicken primavera for dinner. It was delicious. It was like chicken with like mozzarella, and it had like pasta and like vegetables in it. It was delicious. I'm shaking. But I'm just letting my car warm up. I'm trying not to shake so much so I can like film this. But I'm literally freezing. My coat is not thick at all. It's so thin. I need a winter coat ASAP. But I'm waiting for my car to warm up, and I kind of want a Sprite. I want a crispy Sprite from McDonald's right now. They're only $1. Fuck. So I'm gonna go get one probably. And oh yeah, we watched, oh my god, I'm so cold I can't even talk. My headlights are just on. Anyways, we watched this movie called Instant Family, and it was with Mark Wahlberg, and it was so cute. I cried so many times during the movie. It was adorable, and it was about like these people, this couple obviously, who adopts, well not adopts, but like they foster these kids, I guess. Can I speak English? No, not really. I'm cold. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna start driving. I will vlog when I get home or when I'm at McDonald's and I'm less cold. So I'm at McDonald's and I ended up getting chicken nuggets too because I have the munchies, even though I just ate. Hey guys, so I'm in the dark right now, but it's about like 10:30 and we're just watching The Grinch, and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take off my makeup, but I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2. I'll see you tomorrow.